we're doing this one page today in this book. We'll do one page throughout until the end of the book, just one page at a time. I want to keep that practice going. I'm going to do the three middle ones together with you as the sample, and you can do the rest on your own, of course. We'll start with number 8. I have 2 digits to the right of the decimal in the divisor, and I can't have that. So I need to move them over 2 places to make it 15, and move that over 2 places and make it 78.15. When I do, I have a new equation, 78.15 divided by 15. And then I can divide. 15 does not go into 7. It goes into 78, 60, 70, okay, 25, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. 5 times. 5 is 25. Right, okay. I subtract, get 3. 15 goes into 31 twice. I subtract. I have 15 again. 15 goes into 15 one time. To finally be finished, I need to take my decimal, put it up in my answer. I've got 05.21. So my answer is 5 and 21 hundredths. I'm going to put it up here. 5 and 21 hundredths. Moving down to number 5. Notice I've got 3 digits to the right of my decimal. So I need to move this decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And I have 35. I move this one 3 places then. 1, 2, 3. And I have 5.25. As I've written here. So I have 35 into 5.25. This number is significantly bigger than this one. 35 does not go into 5. It goes into 52 one time. 1 times 35. I subtract. 7. Bring down the 5. Let me think. There are 33. Okay. 33 goes into 100 3 times. 33, 66. I'm going to say 5. I'm going to try 5. 35, times 5. 15, 60, 100. Oh, yeah, 175. Perfect. 35 goes into 175 5 times. Bring up my decimal, 0.15. That's my answer. 0 and 15 hundredths. And the last, we're doing this one too. Just noticed. Okay, so we have 2 digits to the right of the decimal. So we'll move this 2 places. So it's 125. That's a big one. Then we'll move this one 2 places. So it's 78.75. So we're left with 78.75 divided by 125. Have you ever divided by a number that big? So let's see. It does not go into 7. It does not go into 78. It does go into 787. I am going to get my little scrap paper out. And I'm going to try 6. 125 times 6. Oh, that worked. 750. Good guess. I subtract, I get 37. I bring down the 5. I can guarantee you this goes into that 3 times. Let's see. 7, yep. Just as expected. Here's my decimal, go straight up. I've got 63 hundredths. That wasn't so bad. Just seemed intimidating because it was 125. I know why we're doing 9 together, because you'll end up with a divisor of 205. We'll move this over 2 places. We'll move this over 2 places. We end up with 205 into 7,175. No decimals. Let's see. I'm going to look at 2. 2 goes into 7 3 times. So I'm going to say 2 goes into 717 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. It'll be 2, 102. Bring down the 5. Oh goodness. 5. I'm going to try 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10. Yep. Got it. There are no decimals. 0035. My answer is 35. Take a moment and make sure you understand those. I'm sure you do. You've just not had to divide with divisors in the hundreds. You will do that one, and that will be 111.